Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add a testimonial slider on your WordPress website. If you have a business website, then the most important thing is the social trust, or you can say the authority. Because the new customer, the new user who are coming onto your website, how will they get to know that whether you have served the customers previously, what are their feedbacks, what are their opinions, are you providing satisfactory services or not, and etc. etc. So the only way to tell them is to add a testimonial slider in which we will show that our previous clients, their expectation, their reviews, their feedback, their opinions, and that's how we can enable the trust in our target audience. So how to perform this functionality, that is the agenda for this video. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe right now. So in order to perform this functionality, we need two plugins. First is Elementor free version plugin, and second an add-on plugin. So let me show you both the plugins. So in order to have both the plugins, just come on to add new plugin. I have already installed both the plugins, but let me show you how this looks like. So just search for Elementor, in the search bar. You will see Elementor website builder that is having 10 million plus active installation, and the other one is Royal Elementor add-on. So these are the widgets which are provided on above the Elementor free version by this Royal Elementor add-on plugin for free, because if you use the same widget in the Elementor version, then you need to buy the pro version, which is not required at all. So you need to have both this plugin installed and activated. As you can see right now, these two plugins are activated in my WordPress website already. Now I need to select the page on which I need to implement this for particular functionality of adding testimonial slider. So let's say my very common page is home page, so I need to add on this only. So click on edit with Elementor, and once you click on edit with Elementor, now on the left hand side in terms of widget, you will see multiple widgets, and here you need to search for testimonial slider. If you search for testimonial slider, you can see there is an option called testimonial carousel, which is marked as R. It means it is an add-on widget by Royal Elementor add-on. So now if I want to add it, let's say I want to add it somewhere here. So I'll just add a new section, drag and drop this widget, and if you see, there is testimonial slider added right away, right? And now of course I can customize this widget. So the widget preview or predefined style. So there are some predefined styles as well. Just click on predefined styles. You can see there are free versions available in which there are different styles of testimonial sliders are available. That is version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4, and of course others are premium, so you are not supposed to go with that. You can go with these also. So let's say I like this one, so I'll just click on insert, and once I click on insert, you can simply see that it has been added on the bottom, right? So this is the template which has been added, and now if I just click on the edit button, I can now customize this option. So right now I can see there are 4 options, 4 slides available, and I can show 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as per my choice. And of course, in order to show them one by one, I can do like this, or maybe if I want to show maybe at once, those slides to scroll is 2, and image resolution is full, column should be, let's say 3, not 3 because 3 is a pro version. Let's go into 2, and then from here you can see that the icon styles, I can change the styles of the icon like this, right? And scale, rating, I can select the rating, right? Select quote icon, transition duration, effect, everything I can control from here. So let's just publish the changes once, and let's see how this looks like by default, so that we can change accordingly. So let's just preview the changes. Scroll down to the section. Here is the section which we added, that is here. So you can see 2 slides because we chose to show 2 slides at once. So you can see there are two slides side by side, and if it is scrolls, then of course 2 slides scrolls at once. Now I can control, of course I can control in terms of column, I can 2 or 1 choose the slide. So I will choose the slide scroll at 1, not 2, because I want to show more. Then I can see navigation, so I can show like arrows on the left and right, so that user can click on that, and show on hover, no, select icons, that is angles, that is okay. Pagination, yes. Infinite loop, yes. If I effect this, 1 point transition duration is this, as done. And now from here I can just need to change the content. So that is, I need to change the image, and I need to change the content, and of course I need to change the ratings as well. So from here I can change this image, that is this one, the author name, the title, the main headline, Company logo, if you want to add, you can do that. Then best style is this heading. The ratings, like after 5, 4, how much you want to give, you can choose the ratings, right? And then of course you can from here change the content, and then you can publish accordingly. So these are the options that you can play around in order to add a testimonial slider for free without any paid plugin or without any pro version of the Elementor plugin. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.